Section 11.2, we're going to talk about one particular type of transformation, and that is reflections. Okay, so a reflection, we're going to do a couple of them here in example one. And when we talk about reflections, we usually are going to reflect objects over a line. In this case, we have a triangle ABC with known vertices, and we want to graph those vertices and its image after the reflection that's described. So in part A, we want to reflect that triangle over the line x equals 3. Okay, and they want us to call it line N. So let us begin by plotting the points. So let's see here, 1, 3 would be right about here, and we'll call that point A. Remember, in the image, we'll call the points A, B, and C. And then in its image, we will call the points A prime, B prime, and C prime. So here are those 3 points. A is 1, 3, B is 5, 2, and now C is at 2, 1. So let's connect those points. Let me try that again. I'm really not very good at these straight lines. Let me try again though. I'll do the best I can. So again, 1, 3, and then the last point was 2, 1. Okay, and I labeled C there. I'm not sure why. I don't have to necessarily label the points, but we do want to make sure that we have our lines drawn reasonably straight. So A, B, and C. So here we go. Yeah, I just can't draw a very straight line. And then that one right there, that was my best. Okay, now what does the line x equals 3 look like? Well, the line x equals 3 is a line that would cross the x-axis at 3, and it'll be a vertical line. So it'll look kind of like this. So let's just draw, and actually I'm going to cheat here because I want to make sure this is straight. So let me just draw a line using this line tool right at x equals 3. Okay, and we will call this line line N. All right, so now let's graph its reflection over that line. Well, you notice point A is 2 to the left of the line, so its reflection would be 2 to the right of the line, and that will be A prime. Point B is 2 to the right, its reflection would be 2 to the left. So it's kind of like line N is a mirror and B is seeing itself on the other side. Lastly, the image of point C, since point C is 1 to the left of the line, its image would be 1 to the right, and that will be C prime. Connecting those 3 points, we then create the image of triangle ABC. And there it is. It doesn't look very good. Maybe the next one I'll use the line tool just to make it look a little better. So now in the second one, let's again, now reflect in y equals 1. So let's redraw A, B, and C. So A is at 1, 3 again. There's point A. Point B was at 5, 2, we recall. And C was at 2, 1. Okay, so like I said, I'm not gonna mess around this time. Let's make this figure. Okay, good enough. So from A to C, and then from C to B, and then from A to B. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Okay, so now we want to reflect that in the line y equals 1. Well, that's going to cross the y-axis at 1. So let's go right about there, and that wasn't very good. Let me move that just a touch, and we should be in good shape. There, that's better. So y equals 1. Now, let's draw its image. So let's see here. Point A is 2 above. Its image would be 2 below. There's A prime. Point B is 1 above. Its image would be 1 below. Now you notice C is right on the line, so its image will be right on the line as well. So this point is not only C, it is also C prime, and we're all set and ready to draw those. Let me just change it to red just so we can tell the difference between those fairly easily. So here is one right there, then from A prime to B prime, and now it should actually look reasonably like it should. So there's the reflection, and that is how we do reflections.